Did you know that your iPhone is constantly tracking your activities, listening through your microphone, and even sharing your location and personal data with Apple and other companies? In this guide, I'm going to show you how to turn off all that. First, launch your settings and navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Now, head over to the option Tracking. Disable for this option, allow apps to request to track. If this is turned on, apps can track what are you doing on your phone and share it with others. Turn this off to prevent apps from tracking you. Next, head back. Click on the option Analytics and Improvements. This is where Apple collects data about your uses, diagnostic, and even health and motion data. Some of these settings like improve health and activity, improve ear location accuracy, and improve hand washing are tracking everything from your workouts to your movements and even listening when you wash your hands. To protect your privacy, turn off all these analytics. Next, head back. Turn off Apple advertising. This feature tracks your activity to target ads more effectively, selling your information to companies like Meta and Google for better ad targeting. Next, manage location services. For that, head back. Click on the option Location Services. Disable for the option Location Services. If you see apps that you don't want to track your location, tap on them and set to Never. Also, you can head over to the option System Services. Here, Apple is tracking a bunch of things like your location for Apple Pay and even tracking your routes and significant locations. These aren't necessary for most people, so I recommend turning them off. Also, disable for the option Significant Locations and clear the history, which prevents Apple from tracking where you frequently go. Lastly, scroll down under Product Improvement and turn off Improve Location Accuracy in Maps. Again, Apple does not need to track every aspect of your life. By turning these off, you can make sure your personal data stays private. And that's it. With these settings turned off, your iPhone won't be tracking your location, listening to you, or sharing your data with Apple and third-party companies. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.